Wow, I'm happy that is done with. Because that first half was so infuriating, honestly. I don't know. Where do you sit with this, right? The three that we had in the middle were poor, really poor. We're getting overrun. And when the sub came, you just needed that bit of quality which Xhaka had, a bit more of a presence about him, and it brought to life more, and especially Vieira. So is that Sambi not doing enough? I mean, I know he don't do enough, but I personally were getting so riled up at El Nene because them two are just too safe. Like, they've got no ambition in the way that they want to progress play. So they cannot play together in the same team. For Arteta made his subs at the right time. I was happy to see Zinchenko come on. Tierney seems off it as well, you know. And it was just, this is an opportunity for players to show that they should be knocking on the door. Do you know what I mean? And at the minute, Vieira. But, you know, going back to the Newcastle game, if you bring Vieira on, it took him a while to get into that game. He's going to get into that Newcastle game. Do you know what I'm saying? So, obviously, we need reinforcements. That's what that shows me. We need reinforcements. I thought Turner were class with the ball at his feet as well. I know that were one of the question marks over him when he first came, but he's shown how much he's grown, because not only to have the confidence to play it, but that pitch as well. You know, League One, I think they are, you know, bobbly pitch. So for him to be able to still execute, playing out like he did was good. I thought Gabriel was phenomenal. Really did. I thought Tomiyasu was poor going forward, but defensively, you can just count on him. Especially when it's balls coming in around that front post or the near post. He cleans up all the time. Saka and Martinelli, we didn't really get them in the game. But Eddie, class when you need it and class finishes. So, my man at match would have been Gabriel. But it's good to see Vieira with that extra bit of quality to unlock when we needed it. But for me, Sambi's not good enough. He's not. I don't think Mo's good enough. But when you've got players around him, he can do a job. But when it's both of them in there, there's nothing. And I just don't see what Sambi brings. If there's something there, then maybe put him on loan. But no. Not at the minute. No. Just no. Winding me the fuck up it was. But anyway, we're through. Tricky game. Obviously, we know what happened last season. So, it's all good. And on to Man City. Obviously, with more allowance for the tickets means that we'll be taking bare heads there. So, it'll be good atmosphere. Good games. It'll be interesting to see what sort of team he plays as well. And extra shout, actually, good to see Smith Rowe back out there. I know he looked a bit rusty, which you're going to be. A few simple things, maybe we're trying a bit hard as well, but he were always in space. Those touches will come, but his spatial awareness was still there, and it was good to see. So, yeah, man, let's have a run in this. Let's go for it again. Do you know what I mean? And it's good for momentum and onto that North London derby where, honestly, it's a statement. It's a statement on Sunday. So let's go for it, man. Big love. Enjoy your week. Chat with you at weekend, man. Victoria Concordia Crease it as always. You know that. Come on, the boys. Big love, man. Peace and light.